In my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm about to do an oil change on this 2002 Toyota Camry. This is the 4-cylinder. Customer told me that she don't really have no oil in the pan, but we're gonna see what is gonna comes out. Of course, you need a 15mm to unscrew that plug right here. As you can see it, the 15 is, it look like this, guys. I usually tell you a 15mm. All right, let's go. Let's see what's up. Oh, she do have some.
Have a little bit. It's thick, right?
Yeah. There you go. It's draining.
Hello.
This is the 4-cylinder motor, guys. Of course. Of course, I got the 3-ton jack stand, and I still have the jack holding up as well. So yeah, she got a good amount in there.
That's what you bought from Walmart? Just one?
Oh, no. The real one is inside the car. That's what I had ordered off Amazon. It was 6 of them that I used last week. 2 weeks ago.
So you get your oil off Amazon?
That's a special one, that's why.
Is it cheaper if I order my oil and stuff?
Nah, Walmart for you is cheaper. I always tell all my customers to order the oil from Walmart because it's real cheap. If you go to Advance or AutoZone, it's going to be real expensive for the oil and the filter. I had just wanted to be extra. That's why I bought mine off Amazon. Okay, guys, as you see, it's wait like about a good 5 minutes, and her filter is a. It is pouring right now, but the filter is at the top, right on it, the pan, the top of the pan right here. Still draining, as you can see there. And the filter is like right there at the top, as you can see it. So I'm about to remove that filter, and let's get this oil change done. And it is raining. There you go, guys. There you go, the filter. And I'm getting soaked. Wow. It's raining real heavy, as you can see. Sucks. Here we go, guys. This is the filter I'm going to use. This is the Fram Extra Guard pH 4386. And I'm gonna install it right now and put back everything, and I'm gonna also pour the oil in as well. All right, here we go. Tighten it to the right, and that will be good, guys. That's it. Don't want to strip the threads. One torque is good. Guys, already installed the filter. Hopefully you guys could see it. It's black. It's right there. Yeah, that's the filter right there. It's already installed it, and I also hand tied it. So it's time to pour the oil, guys. Let's get it. Hey guys, this is the oil that I'm going to use, the Castrol GTX Magnatech 5W30, what the car recommended. It said superior GDI turbo formula. Of course, full synthetic, guys, and then they say intelligent molecules clink to protect, and it says Dexis approved as well. So I got it. It's like real cheap at Walmart, guys. You could shop there and pick it up and see what's up. Well, here we go.
Here we go, guys. I am your camera person. Little by little, in the rain. Smoking a little bit.
That's because the engine is still heated from the drive-in. That's why.
It seems like it's gonna take the full 8 course.
No, this is not 4. This is only
8.
4.5.
It's only 4.5? Oh.
Yeah. Your vehicle can't take 8. It'll mess up the vehicle.
Make sure you cut that part out so I don't sound stupid on YouTube.
Oh, you giving me a lot of work to do.
You'll put music in the background at this part. Just speed it up.
Yeah, this is 4.5. What Greg be using? The other one?
No, he uses this.
He used the whole thing in this, right?
Yeah.
I thought he used a single bottle. I was like, that's a lot of money buying
Sometimes he do use the single bottles, but sometimes he know. Anytime I bring my car, it never has oil, so I always buy that. But sometimes I just be getting some cheap oil just to pour in.
Thanks for letting the camera know that.
Yup. Sometimes I have to just pour cheap oil temporarily if I don't have time to get an oil change. Okay, and then
That's that.
we check this here by pulling this out. Okay, still need some time to transfer through, guys. No worries.
Yeah, you're gonna have to start the engine to let the oil fluctuate, but first let me drop the vehicle to let it balance because it's sitting up on one side.
So we about to drop the car. It's the unsafe way to drop the vehicle. Watch your hand.
Huh?
I said, watch your hand. And then you got the plumber's crack, you know, coming through. Plumber's crack. Oh, you don't want them to see you struggle.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Ah, the real life behind. That's not how you drop a car. Come on. Let's watch him struggle. Isn't that the...
Isn't what?
I thought that red thing was the cap in there. Yes, it was.
What?
Oh, no, it wasn't. Never mind.
Oh, the red thing to cover that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it is.
The car is dropped. Now we're going to turn on the engine.
Yep.
Why am I...
Okay guys, that concluded the oil change. It's running fine. It sounds real good. There's no leaks. I had to do a couple editing because the rain and everything, it had me stopping and going and stopping. But hopefully this helps you guys out as much as possible. Thanks again once more for watching. This is the 2002 Toyota Camry. This is the 4-cylinder model. It takes 5W30 motor oil. I use the Castrol GTX Magnatec full synthetic. And thanks once more again for watching. Peace out and bye-bye.